Senator Lacson at Senator Marcoleta nagkasagutan agad sa hearing ngayong araw.
Si Engineer Henry Alcantara has a prepared sinumpang salaysay. Would you confirm that, Engineer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are assisted by your counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Can you please take your seat beside the Secretary of the Department of Justice para yung nasa vantage point ka? Yung counsel mo, pwede nando sa likod para you can advise him. Are you ready?
Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory questions before
later.
we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions,
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead, go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion. That
I am
is my
not questioning
opinion.
your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
Let's not
chairman
quarrel
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rin.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Thanks, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of these proceedings if you will not allow me raise these points. Maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead.
Perhaps,
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.